this part is kind of nice. So you guys can set up light, dark, and auto. So auto means that it's gonna change to dark at nighttime, light during the day. And if you guys always want it to be dark, it's gonna look like this, but it's not the greatest thing for this video, so I'm gonna leave it as light. I personally like dark. It's better for my eyes. Right now we're gonna get started, and that's the basic stuff that you guys get on your iPad. So, what apps do you guys get pre-installed on your iPad without importing anything? These are it right here, and there's nothing else. You guys are looking at everything that you guys get in your iPad right away without downloading anything. So these are things I did not download. These are just things that are installed in here already. I just keep tapping on the wrong stuff. I want to show you everything. So let me just show you throughout all the screens. And there you go. That's it. So it comes pre-installed like this. Now I do have a manual that teaches you how to go about an iPad and how to go and use everything within the iPad. That's for the basics for beginners. But this is just a setup video, so I just showed you the main things from here. You guys can edit everything from the iPad, basically. Well, almost everything from the iPad. And that manual is really good for those of you who don't know how to handle your iPad. But as of now, we're done with the whole setup. Go ahead and enjoy your iPad, and we'll see you later. And if you guys have any comments, questions, don't forget to write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.